Homemade gifts are a great way to show someone how much you care. Here on Crafty Hackers, we're going to give you some awesome DIY ideas so you can let your crush know how special they are to you. But first, make sure you show us some love by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and clicking the thumbs up button if you liked this video. Let's get started. Earrings. Grab these items from the craft store and get ready to make a pair of fabulous DIY earrings for your crush. First, cut a circle from several layers of tulle and fan the layers out. Then, sew the tulle together in the center. Glue the tulle to the metal piece of the earrings. Add a sweet little rose in the middle and a heart on top for love. Embellish with leaves and pearls. Your sweetheart will love these gorgeous earrings. Rose in a box. Red roses are a symbol of love, so let's package one up for you to share with your true love. First, trim the rose stem. Then, trace these box lines in a piece of black paper. Use a ruler to help you fold them in a straight line. Cut away the corners and bend the sides up together. Carefully glue the sides of the box together. Punch holes in the corners. Then, use a glue stick to apply a generous layer of glue to the bottom. Sprinkle glitter on the glue. And add a felt heart in the center. Now, glue a rose stem to the middle of the heart. Hold it in place until the glue hardens. Next, thread a ribbon through the holes you punched in your box to close it up. Tie the ribbon in pretty bows along the side of the box and place the lid on top. When your crush opens this box, it will show just how much you love them. So pretty! Necklace. Get the tulle out again. This time we're going to make a glamorous necklace. Cut the tulle in the shape of a necklace and plan your design with your jewels and rhinestones. Glue them into place and dazzle your dream girl with this fabulous necklace. Wow! Bracelet. Grab some metal rings and some faux leather material. Then cut the material into a strip and wrap it around the ring, gluing it in the middle, like this. Feed a longer strip through and glue it in the back. Buckle it around your wrist and make a matching one for your crush. Then you'll think of each other every time you look at it. Pineapple candle. For this cute gift, grab one of those mason jar cups from the dollar store and paint the lid green. Cut some pineapple stock from a green glitter foam sheet. Glue a wick to the inside bottom of the jar. Wrap and glue the first stalk to the center of the lid. Then, bend the leaves out on the second stalk cut out and glue it around the first one. Next, melt some candle wax in a double boiler. Stir in a few yellow dye chips. And carefully pour the yellow wax into the mason jar, making sure the wick stays centered. After the wax cools and hardens, use a Sharpie to draw this pineapple detailing on the outside of the jar. Screw the lid on and present to your biggest crush. When they want to light it, they can just unscrew the lid. And when they're done burning the candle, they can put the lid back on, and it becomes a pineapple again. Super fun, right? Headband. For this DIY gift, you'll need a plain headband, some white chenille stems, and some white ribbon. Glue the end of the ribbon to the bottom of the headband and wrap it around until the whole headband is completely wrapped. Use your white chenille stems or pipe cleaners to make cat ears at the top of the headband. Cut away any extra stem with the scissors. Cute so far, right? Now wrap a piece of thick white thread around the ears and glue little flowers to the thread and ear frames. Meow! This headband just went from plain to purr. And the flowers add a nice romantic touch. Star earrings. This glitter foam sheet is going to become a pair of fabulous earrings. Check it out. First, cut a rectangle from the sheet and cut that rectangle into a bunch of skinny strips, like this. Arrange the strips into a star shape and glue them into place. Add the earring fish hook at the top of the star. And give these fabulous earrings to your favorite person. We're pretty sure they are going to love them. Coffee heart. First, gather your supplies. You'll need some fabric, a small pot, and some decorative rope. Cut your fabric into a large circle. Wrap it around the outside of your pot and wrap the rope around it. Now, fill the pot with tulle and pour in some coffee beans. Next, glue a piece of string to a wooden dowel and wrap it all the way around. Put the dowel into the coffee beans. Then, cut a heart out of a piece of white cardboard. Glue coffee beans to the heart like this. Make sure to do both sides as well as the border. Then push the heart onto the dowel so it looks like the heart is growing out of the pot. Not only is this gift cute, it also smells great. Hair clip. Grab a plain hair clip from the dollar store and glue some pretty flowers onto it. Clip the wires off with scissors. Then add details like flower buds and leaves. That's all there is to it. Gift box. You'll need a gift box for your beautiful DIY gifts, so let's make one. Grab a plain cardboard gift box and some felt fabric in your favorite color. Cut the fabric to size and glue it around the box. Trace the lid onto the back of the fabric. Then add a strip of the fabric around the outside of the lid. And glue the fabric to the top of the lid too. Add fancy lace detail to the rim of the lid. And cover up the fabric seams with fancy string or ribbon. We love the way the sequins sparkle. Add flowers and leaves to the side of the gift box as a finishing touch. Now you've got a box to match your lovely gift. Wish tree. Get ready to show off your drawing skills. Draw a tree onto a 2-page stack of beige paper. Carefully cut the trees out, then cut a long slit up the trunk of one of the trees and slide it down the center of the other tree. This will make it stand up on its own. Now time to take it apart and decorate it. Use a glue stick to glue on some glitter. Shake off any excess glitter. Next, glue a piece of ribbon to a loop, like this one. Then cut it in half, long ways. Now cut some strips from pieces of decorative paper. Write your wishes on the inside of the paper and fold it in half. Glue the wishes to the ribbon loops and hang them on the leaves of your tree. Now you have a magical wish tree. We hope all your wishes come true. chocolate. Melt some white chocolate in a double boiler. Put the melted chocolate in 2 containers and stir in some food coloring. Then, pour the chocolate into some candy molds, like these. After the first layer hardens, add a layer of the second color. Now, let's make some brown chocolate. You can also melt it in the microwave. Pour it into larger candy molds and add your favorite sweet treats inside the chocolate. Drizzle the colored white chocolate on top. Then, when it cools and hardens, remove from the mold. Now you've got one-of-a-kind candies to put inside your gift box. Sweet treats for your sweetie. We had so much fun making these DIY gifts. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. See you later!